Someone on TikTok said a photo could hack your phone. Spoiler, that's mostly fear bait. Here's why. In the next 4 minutes, I'll explain what steganography actually is, why it sounds scary, and why normal users don't need to freak out. Plus, 3 simple things to actually worry about instead. Steganography. Hiding a message inside another file. It's been around for centuries. Think hidden notes under stamps. In digital form, people talk about hiding messages inside images, audio, or video. Sounds scary? Wait, here's the part most creator clips skip. Short answer. Fear makes clicks. The long answer is that steganography sounds like something from a spy movie, and dramatic creators love that. But the reality is far more technical. Most platforms transform images when you upload them, compressing, resizing, and stripping metadata. This process almost always destroys the tiny hidden changes that steganography relies on. So, can any stego survive? Yes, in labs or targeted attacks, but not for your average weird DM. Real risk occurs when 1. Your device already has malware, or 2. Someone convinces you to run a program or open a document. A JPEG itself doesn't execute code. For a hidden message to be useful to an attacker, they usually need specialized malware already on your device. Translation. Guarding against steganography means guarding against malware, the real enemy. Here are 3 practical, easy things everyone should do instead of panicking about images. 1. Keep your phone up to date. 2. Don't install weird apps or APKs. 3. Don't run unknown files, programs, even if someone sends them to you. These 3 steps block 99% of real threats, including anything Stego would rely on. Think of steganography like hiding a note in a sealed envelope inside a postcard. Most mail carriers will open and reseal it. The secret gets ruined. Platforms do the same to images when they compress them. Quick FAQs. Can WhatsApp images hack me? Very unlikely. WhatsApp strips metadata and recompresses. Should I avoid opening images? No. Be cautious about files you run or apps you install. Is steganography used by real hackers? Rarely, and usually only in highly targeted attacks. So don't panic at the next viral Stego scare post. Be smart, keep your device patched, and don't run unknown programs. If you want a simple explainer image or a slide for your class, drop a comment. I'll make it.